Okay, so here we are doing some stuff, not with a truck, but this may be helpful for someone else that's changing the compressor, the AC compressor and the dryer line. You're gonna have to vacuum the line. So we have the little vacuum here and the gauges. We take the blue line and we hook it up to the low side. Take the red line and we're going to hook it up to the high side. And we're going to take the yellow line and hook it up to the vacuum.
You got 3 entrance.
There's three, there we go. Now, suffice it to say, not everybody has one of these pumps, this vacuum pump, but if you can borrow one, at least you know how, you at least know how to operate it. If you're here in South Florida, you can rent these from AutoZone. So we got it hooked up, we just turn it on. We're gonna open up the valves first. And we're gonna crank it on. And there it is, we just let it do its job there. 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, so we're gonna leave that baby on there, let it suck up all the extra condensation, moisture, whatever it might be in the line. So there you have it, easy peasy again.